bafowethu ngithanda ngibingelele South Africa. Hello South Africa.
Hello South Africa.
Hello
From Italy.
From Italy.
From Italy.
This is from Italy.
Hello
Florence.
Spasa Matuta. Hello
Hello.
Spasa Matuta. Sanibonani South Africa.
South Africa.
Bafowethu namhlanje ngisebenze kahle laba amazwe efikile amaningi ama-country Germany, Austria, Italy, Russia, Greece, UK, Romania, Russia, Israel, Ukraine, Portugal, Brazil, UK,
Papua New Guinea.
Papua New Guinea,
USA.
Swiss.
Okay, nje Brazil iyafana
Brazil.
Brazil. Bafowethu namhlanje ngijabule kakhulu kulamazwe angaka bafuna bangihlonipha bangithanda namanje nje namhlanje bekade kunamaflat adeqhamuka namhlanje lana ngaphuma nabo ngabachazela ukuthi ngizokhomba phezulu anqamuka amaflat ngoba ngifuna ilanga namhlanje ngiqhamuke ilanga bathi kimi lento engizenza-ke leyo ngathi manje ngayenza loo nto fanele ngithengele i-helicopter manje ngiyilindile i-helicopter yami bayidilive South Africa kuthe kusuka khona lapho-ke nangempela-ke bazongitshela ukuthi kwenzekeni kuney'khukhula lapho ngavele ngayimisa ngobholi bami engisuka nalo le wakhohlwa uzungene all the way from wakhohlwa uzungene to here in Italy ukuhlanganisa nje wonke amazwe. Tell this man about the sun.
Yeah, well, today we had a huge rain, a storm. It was with the clouds very low, so it was really a tragedy because the storm was really heavy. And suddenly, after the prayer of Professor 3 seconds, the sun came. So we were all surprised. The cloud disappeared, and we had a wonderful sun illuminating us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.